Hello class, welcome back to these sessions. In the last sessions, we talked about vector, which is one of the container classes in STL. Then we can ask questions, what is container classes in STL? In these sessions, I will briefly introduce you the standard template library, the STL. So let's begin. The C++ STL standard template library is a set of C++ template classes, and they implement many popular and commonly used algorithms and data structures such as vector that we saw in the previous sessions. Using STL, we can write code quickly because most of the data structures and algorithms are already implemented in STL. So instead of you design such data structures and algorithms, you can just directly use STL to write your code quickly. And STL has been there for a long time, and so it has evolved long time. So their implementations are optimized, so they are very efficient. And using STL, we can program in generic way. In generic programming, we do not specify type in implementations. This is possible because of template features in C++. So we are leveraging templates in STL, so that is the reason why it's calling template library. There are mainly 4 components in STL: container, iterator, algorithms, and adapters. Container component stores collection of objects or data, and iterator components are used to step through the elements stored in the container. And algorithm components perform particular tasks using iterator, such as sorting and searching data in container. Adapters components implement data structure using containers. So for example, vector is container components, and using vector, the priority queue is implemented. And using DQ, container, stack, and queue are implemented. So stack, queue, priority queues are all adapters. Because this is first year course, you haven't learned data structures and algorithms yet. So I will not further talk about algorithms and adapter components. Instead, I will discuss more about container and iterator components in the following sessions. Before that, let me talk about STL a little bit more. The STL contains sequence of container, so and associative container. So there are 2 different types of containers: the sequence and associative. The data stored in sequence containers are ordered, whereas data stored in associative containers are unordered. And vector, list, DQ are the example of sequence container, and set, map are the associative container. This diagram shows the relationship between container, algorithms, and iterator. This arrow line indicates the iterator. Algorithms uses iterator to access the objects in the container to perform particular task. So these objects are the elements stored in this container, same for this one. Using this algorithm components, we can perform a particular task such as sorting objects or searching objects in the container. And algorithm uses the iterator operator to traverse all the elements in the container. This is very brief introductions to standard template library. I will talk more about iterator and container in the following sessions. So see you in the next sessions.